guys, so today I'm going to talk about one of the easiest ways to relieve your stress, and that is writing things down. So at the end of the day you can write down your pending task and clear your mind. For an example, go to grocery shop, schedule a team meeting, and let's say go to park, pay utility bills, study chapter 1. Well, you don't need to write long sentences, just jot down in a way you can remember it in the next day. And by doing this, you can clear your mind and have a good sleep at the end of the day. So if you are not into hard copies, you can use any other digital medium to keep a record of things. You can use the calendar of your phone to set reminders. You can use the notepad of your phone. There are apps to track things down for you, and even a personal organizer you can use. In that way, you don't need to store everything in your head. You can write things down and clear your mind. No matter who you are, you have only 2 eyes, 2 hands and 24 hours per day. So of course there will be pending work, and by writing things down you won't miss out those pending work, and you can prioritize those tasks in the next day with the adding daily work. And also you can set priorities, like you can put 1, 2, 3 and prioritize the pending task as well. Also, once a task is completed, don't forget to tick it or cut it out. In that way, you will get a sense of achievement, sense of completion and gratitude at the end of the day. During meetings also, you can jot down the action items. In that way, you won't miss out anything. During day-to-day activities, when you get a creative idea, don't forget to write it down. Don't let your creative ideas fly away. And also some people do diary writing, which is a very good healthy habit. You can write down happy and sad stuff. The incidents happen, and when you are depressed, by writing down whatever made you so, you can clear your mind. So you can try that out as well, and put down your emotions into paper. And after some time, you can go through that. You can get a sense of achievement of thinking how you accomplished that challenge, whatever you went through at that time. Sometimes you may feel like you remember everything, but you forget. It's human nature. So you can write down your goals, New Year resolution and anything, just to keep your mind relaxed and to track pending work, and also to prioritize tasks, and to feel a sense of achievement, completion at the end of the day. So hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.